Hi everyone, in my previous video I made this CCTV canvas and there are buttons and a text element. I've made some changes to the button. I made it bigger and I have duplicated the walking guys here, so if you check it out you can see so many blue guys walking and you can watch them walking through these CCTV cameras. In this video I'm going to make some changes to this CCTV script. This script it is not really nice because we need to manually add an empty slot here to add another camera and you need to drag and drop the objects like this, and it's not nice. I think we can make it more better if we make it automatically detect what are the objects below these CCTV objects, so we don't have to specify one by one which one is the camera object and which one is not. Like this, it's not nice. So I'm going to edit this script. I click this button and list game object. Instead of list, I will try to create let me delete this one first. I delete this one and then I need to create a single public game object, CCTV parent, and then I make array variable game object CCTV CCTVs like this. Sorry, this one should be transform public transform CCTV parent, and then this one will be also list game object CCTV, not public. Then here on the start I will do for each loop for each transform the FM in CCTV parent. Then inside this block I will try to add the child game object of the CCTV parent to this CCTV's object. CCTV's dot add TFM dot game object, and then CCTV's let me go back to Unity and is there any error? Okay, there is no error at all. Let's try to play it. Oh, stop it, stop. I forgot to set the reference. CCTV parent. Oh, CCTV parent. I can do it this way. Yeah, simply I can drag and drop it, and more better than that is to just delete this line, and then just we type here instead of CCTV parent transform, just like this. Let's go back. Okay, is there an error? No error. Let's try to play it. We got an error here. Hang on. Okay, forget about this one, but this one, line 18, I need to check the line 18. CCTV dot add fm dot game object. What was that error? Reference not set to an instance of an object. Hang on. Maybe this one should be capital G. Oh, yeah. We need to delete this one. Hang on a second. Is everything okay here? Oh yeah, it's working. Yeah. What did I do? I forgot what did I do. Maybe I can watch again this video later. What did I do to solve that problem? By the way, the error is gone. I can switch between cameras by clicking this next and previous button, and the text here is working too. Alright. next the next thing that I'm going to do is to add another UI element here. I will try to add this drop down element. I will place the drop down. Why is it here? It should be here. I've made it as a prefab. So I need to go inside it. CCTV canvas. I will add a drop down element. I used to use these legacy items instead of those text mesh pro objects because I think they are too much, and these old objects are enough for me. So I'm going to add this drop down, and I place it at the bottom right corner. And let me increase its size. Okay. I place it here, and then the text I will place it at the top of these two buttons this way. Okay, I will let you know what I'm going to do with this drop down element. Okay. What is it doing here? It should be here. My plan is to make it easier for player to change between cameras by using this drop down menu. So for example, all the list of these cameras, they must be listed here, and then we can choose, the player can choose which camera should be activated. For example, this one is cam 5, and this one cam 6, 7, and so on. We can jump to the cam 7, for example, not one by one like this. This one is fine, but we sometimes need something to jump from camera 1 to camera 10, for example. I will continue this one, the drop down menu, later on my next video. Okay, that's all for this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.